Do you spend time shredding, ripping up receipts, or maybe burning papers that you want to make sure that nobody gets your name, your address, any personal information? Well, I have another option for you. Okay, my option is, so I've got one of my receipts here. The option is this, and this is a, I think they call it privacy stamp, and I'll put a link to it in the description. But I've started using this especially on my boxes that come in. So I go through. Now I don't just put it once across. I go through in different directions and make sure that it's all covered. But I really like this because where I was peeling off and ripping up or shredding, and I actually put my shredding in with the litter, cat litter, because I figure, yeah, who's going to go through that? So now I don't have to do any of that faff. All I do is I go through it. So I really like these. They come in different sizes and shapes. This is the one I like. I really like the size. It's easy to handle. I keep it in my kitchen drawer. I'm actually going to buy another one. It was only a couple of pounds, so, and it came with extra ink. I am buying another one with ink as well, because then I can just refill it. And then I have one upstairs, one downstairs, so one in my office, one downstairs, and it just makes life easier. Let me know what you think in the comments about using one of these to redact or hide your address or personal data. If you found this video useful, helpful, or interesting, then please do click on that thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, then do click on the subscribe. There's also a little bell icon, and that will notify you when new videos appear or new videos go live. Thanks so much, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.